Alright, so AR glasses were everywhere this year at CES, but my top pick is still XREAL. Since the beginning, these guys have been doing some incredible stuff with AR, and now they've stepped it up with their newest lineup, the XREAL One and One Pro. Here's the deal. They've added their first independent processor, the X1 chip, which means the glasses don't need to rely on your phone anymore for all the heavy lifting. Just plug them into your device and they're ready to go. No extra apps, adapters, or setup required. They've also seriously improved latency so everything feels smoother, and customization is way easier now since you can also adjust things within the glasses themselves, including things like the interpupillary distance, which is a fancy term for making sure the visuals match your eyes. The One Pro even has a bigger field of view, making it feel like you're staring at a 171-inch screen right in front of your eyes. Add in 120Hz refresh rate, way less motion blur, and a lot less flicker, and you've got yourself some seriously impressive AR glasses. They're like pocket projectors for your eyes. You can even pre-order them now, which I'll link them down below.